When comparing Fieldwire versus ProEst for construction estimating, you're likely trying to decide which software is best for your project. Both offer solid tools, but when it comes to choosing the right one, it's important to understand their strengths and limitations. Stick with me as I break down both options and give you an open loop reason to stay tuned for a better alternative at the end of the video. First off, Fieldwire offers a project management platform with a heavy focus on field communication and collaboration. It's great for teams in a field who need to track project progress, assign tasks, and keep everything organized. The real advantage of Fieldwire is its ability to manage project timelines, field reports, and drawings in real time, which is a major help for construction teams working in the field. Next thing, ProEst is specifically tailored for estimating. It's more focused on the pre-construction phase, providing accurate cost calculations, bid management, and even advanced reporting. One standout feature is its ability to integrate with other project management tools, which can streamline the workflow if you're using multiple platforms. However, it does require a bit of a learning curve, and its user interface may not feel as intuitive to those new to estimating software. The third thing to consider is the cost. Fieldwire is a more affordable option for smaller teams or those just starting with construction management software. Its pricing is straightforward, with a free version and various tiers depending on your needs. However, once you scale up, you may find that the features offered at higher tiers don't necessarily justify the cost. On the other hand, ProEst is more expensive, but it offers highly specialized tools for estimating that may be worth the investment for larger teams or projects that need detailed cost breakdowns. The fourth thing is user experience. Fieldwire's interface is simple and easy to navigate, which makes it a great option for teams that need to jump right in and start working without a long onboarding process. ProEst, in contrast, offers a wealth of features, but it can feel overwhelming for those who aren't familiar with construction estimating software. For those who need quick access to detailed project costs, ProEst is a great choice, but it might take a little longer to get comfortable with the platform. Now, let's talk about what's missing. Fieldwire lacks some advanced estimating features, which can be a deal breaker for construction teams that need detailed cost calculations, material takeoffs, and bid management. It's more of a general tool for managing construction projects and less focused on the estimating side of things. ProEst, while excellent for estimating, can be a bit rigid in terms of flexibility. It's built with a focus on larger projects and may not suit smaller businesses or contractors looking for something lightweight. So, which one is best for construction estimating? Both Fieldwire and ProEst are strong contenders, but after trying both myself, I can confidently say there's a better alternative out there. The software mentioned in this video is good, but if you're looking for a more balanced solution that combines solid estimating tools with user-friendly project management features, there's something that might be a better fit. If you're looking for an even more efficient and affordable solution that doesn't compromise on features, check out the first link in the description for a free trial of the best construction estimating software out there. Through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits only available to our viewers.